Donyo and Donya, I am back. Buhay pa ba kayo? Then let me hear you, mga Donyo and Donya. So, nadidinig ko naman kayo, mga Donyo and Donya. So, like, yeah, sing lakas ng pikulo yung ano ko sa inyo, yung nadidinig ko, charot. So, mga Donyo and Donya, wait lang yung camera ko. So, mga Donyo and Donya, if you're still alive, then comment down below that I am still alive, because that's our usual drill, mga Donyo and Donya. So, yes naman, mga Donyo and Donya, pasensya na kung ano yung boses ko ngayon dahil gabing-gabi na ngayon. So, marami na natutulog. So, yeah. So, now, mga Donyo and Donya, I am back to you because this is another session, another review with you, mga Donyo and Donya. So, yes naman, mga Donyo and Donya. So, ngayon is another review na naman, mga Donyo and Donya, gaya ng kahapon. So, like, kahapon, may bago tayong ni-review ngayon. May bago ulit tayong i-review, mga Donyo and Donya. So, wait lang. So, now, mga Donyo and Donya, without further ado, ipapakita ko na sa inyo mga produktong i-review natin for tonight. And, ang i-review natin for tonight is, ayan. So, this is the Cathy doll Sweety, Sweety Pricey, Sweety Recipe Lively Carrot Mask Sheet. So, yan siya. So, this product comes from the brand Cathy doll. And, as you know, nakapag-review na ako ng mga Cathy doll before. And, this product is available at Watson's nationwide. And, ilalagay ko na lang yung link down below kung saan ito mabibili. So, ayun na nga, mga Donyo and Donya, sasabihin ko na yung chika ni Mayor or ni Governor dito sa harapan about this product. So again, this is the Cathy doll Sweety Recipe Lively Carrot Mask Sheet. So, paulit-ulit lang, mga Donyo and Donya. So this says that healthy and youthful skin. So, titingnan natin yan mamaya kung magiging healthy and youthful skin ba tayo or magiging carrots yung mukha natin. Charot. So, now, mga Donyo and Donya, bubuksan na natin or titingnan natin yung sa likod and mabasahin natin yung mga further claims ni Governor about this product. So, this is the Sweety Recipe Lovely Carrot Mask. Carrot Mask Sheet helps combat free radicals, delay skin cells degeneration, and stimulate skin elasticity as well as strengthening the skin layers. It also acts as a shield against various pollution to offer you healthy, youthful, and luminous complexion. So, yun yung claims ni Governor dito sa harapan about this, sheet mask. Mask sheet. Basta yun na yun. Basta shit. Charot. So, mga Donyo and Donya, since hindi ako na mag-research about the carrots, like, wala akong na-research according to the scriptures na mga skin benefits about sa carrots. So, I will rely dito sa sinabi nila about this mask and about the carrots. So, yun na yun, mga Donyo and Donya. So, ngayon, mga Donyo and Donya, sasabihin ko muna yung mga basic infos about this product and bubuksan na natin itong product na to at susubukan natin. And after that, sasabihin ko na yung mga first impression ko about this product. So this product, again, contains 25 grams. And this product has an expiration date of, January 25, 2021. So, may one year ata or 2 years. Saan nandun? Kasi 2020 na, so yeah, it only has 1 year. Then, this product, wait lang, saan to nang galing? So, this product, oh my God. Wait lang, hindi nakalagay dito if saan to ginawa. But, I think this is made in Korea, but I'm not sure. I cannot tell you about that. But this is imported and distributed by Life Strong Marketing Inc. And, ayun, nandito na pala. This product pala is made in Thailand. So, yun na yung Madon niya. So, this is not a Korean product, but it's rather a Thai product. And as you may all know, people, Cathy doll is not actually a Korean brand, but it's actually a Thai brand. Thai from Thailand, malamang sa malamang. So now, mga Donya and mga Donya, bubuksan na natin itong product na ito at titingnan natin kung anong product na ito. And by the way, galing pala to sa freezer. So, no, ano na siya, nag-cool down na siya. So ngayon, bubuksan na natin yung product and let's see the product itself. So, ito na yung produkto, mga Donya and mga Donya. So, para siyang wet wipes. Charot. And may product pa sa loob. Ayan. Ayan. So, ngayon, mga Donya and mga Donya, kukunin ko muna yung Naruto headband ko. And, wait lang. Shit. So, ngayon, bubuksan na natin yung face mask at titingnan natin kung ano ang itsura. So, mga Donya and... Wait lang, hinanap ko yung minutes. Mga Donya, ito yung face mask. So, mukha naman siyang face mask. Ha, charot. Face mask naman talaga siya. So, ngayon, mga Donya and mga Donya, babasahin ko na yung directions for use and ilalagay na natin to sa ating pagmumukha. So, how to use after facial cleansing. Place the mask sheet on your face before... mask sheet on your face for 30 minutes. Then, peel off and wash off your face with clean water. So, yun yung direction for use. And the caution is stop using and seek medical treatment if any signs of irritation appear. But, dito mga Donya sa likod, I think pwede siyang ilagay between 10 to 30 minutes. Kasi may logo siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, but I think ilalagay ko na lang to on my face for 30 minutes. So, yun na ngayon mga Donya, ilalagay natin to sa ating pagmukha. Oh my God, nangyari sa lighting ko. Wait lang, i-adjust ko mga Donya. Oh my God. So, mga Donya, I will back to you after 30 minutes and I will tell you my first impressions, my thoughts, and everything and kemerot on this product. Charot. So, I'll be back, mga Donya. So, ipastay ko lang to for 30 minutes on my face. Bye-bye! So, hi, mga Donya and mga Donya. So, ito na nga po, nagbabalik na nga po ako after 30 minutes and now, tatanggalin ko na yung product. So, tan-tananan, ito na siya mga Donya and mga Donya. So, now mga Donya and mga Donya, masasabi ko na talaga yung thoughts ko about this product. So, after ko siyang tinanggal, like, ngayon masasabi ko na yung mga first impressions ko and thoughts about this first impressions and thoughts about this product. So, first, eto muna, wait lang. So, may excess kasi. Ilagay na lang natin yung excess na mga natira. So na mga Donya, ipapat lang natin yung yung mga natira na essence and like nung naano sa sa mask para masip-sip niya. So tap lang, tap. Wag yung sampal, tap lang. So now, mga Donya, sasabihin ko na yung mga first impression ko about this product. So first, yun sa packaging is okay naman siya. Nandun naman yung mga basics na hinahanap ko. Then, nandito naman yung mga ingredients and all of that stuff. So, nandito naman lahat. So, for me, it's good. It's approved. It's pass na lang. It's good. Basta, yun na yun. Then, yung sa face mask, sorry to say this, but ngayon, yung face mask is masyadong malaki for me. That's one thing. Then, the other thing is that yung face mask is thick. Hindi naman very thick or super thick or like, like, for me, thick siya. Kasi, isasabi ko na lang after. So, yun yung sa face mask, it's thick. So, ngayon, dito naman sa essence, yung essence naman is liquidy. Wait lang. I can see it, or I can base my based on how I see the essence. So, yung essence is liquidy naman siya, just like the other face mask. It's liquidy, and it's watery. Then, may lagkit siya. Syempre, it's an essence. Then, noon sa paglagay ko na, ay, wait lang, yung sa amoy pala. Yung sa amoy, may amoy siya, like, maamoy mo talaga siya. Yun na yun. Yun lang yung masasabi ko muna. So, ngayon, nung sa paglagay ko naman ng face mask, yung amoy niya is maamoy ko talaga. Hindi naman talaga sobrang tapang or like, very tapang or over tapang. Hindi naman like, yung walang amoy. But for me, nung nilagay ko is may tapang siya eh. Sorry to say that, Cathy doll, but for me, nung paglagay ko, maamoy ko talaga yung face mask. Naamoy ko talaga yung essence. So, yan na yun. Then, nung paglagay ko din ng face mask, I can feel na meron akong nilagay. And at yun yung sinasabi kong thick. Like, meron talagang, like, may bigat siya for me. Sorry to say that, Cathy doll, but may bigat siya for me. Kasi yung na-try ko na face mask before, wala siya. Like, yung iba, like, meron ka mafe-feel, but unlike this, not like this one, na mafe-feel ko talaga. Basta may heaviness siya for me. Then, nung pag-ano ko siya, nilagay ko din siya, wala naman siya stinging effect or what. Like, yun lang talaga yung masasabi ko. Then, after application, like, as you can see naman mga John niya, madali siyang matanggal. Ayun na yun. That's one good thing. Madali siyang matanggal. Then, like, may lagkit kang mafe-feel after kasi it's face mask is usual, So, yun na nga yun. And now, sa mga claims na tayo, mga John. So, for me, this mask, the combat free radicals, but hindi ko talaga siya, I cannot really say or like, talaga about that thing, but I think naman na naman niya talaga yung free radicals ko sa skin ko. So, yun na yun. And if you don't know what free radicals is, then search it on Google kasi hindi ako nakapag-research. But, oh my God, wait lang mga John. Another info kasi nag-research ako about sa carrots. Skin benefits of carrots. So, carrots daw can soothe, like, skin problems. Then, carrots has also vitamin C that is good for skin also. And that vitamin C can brighten up your skin. So, yun na yun. Share ko lang. Like, little information about the carrots. Then, yung sa skin degeneration naman, for me, I think so, kasi it makes my skin look younger. But, syempre, of course, I'm still young. Like, you get what I mean? Like, bata pa yung skin ko, but hindi yung kid. Basta young pa yung skin ko, but for me naman, I think that it really, my skin cells, make my skin cells alive. So, yun, alert, awake, enthusiastic, charot. So yun na nga yun. Then, it also stimulates my skin elasticity because as you can see mga John, masasabi ko sa product na ito is that this product is moisturizing. So yun, that's one thing. Like, you can really see that my skin is moisturized and you can see that my skin is healthy. And, to be honest, it makes my skin alive. So yun na yun. Yun lang yung masasabi ko mga John. Then, if you were to ask me if I can recommend this to you, then for me, I think you should too kasi na-deliver naman niya yung claims niya and I think it's a good mask naman for me. So, update ko na lang kayo if magtatagal ba tong moisturization effect ba ito. And yung Salute and Luminous Complexion, yes, it delivers talaga and it makes my skin look younger and luminous. So, yun na yun. So, yun na nga mga John, na I can recommend this to you naman and this is available in all Watsons nationwide. I can recommend this to you especially if may event kayo, before the event, gamitin nyo to. So, yun na yun. But for me, mga John, personally, huwag nyo sana itong masamain or what. I think that this good mask. But for me, I think hindi ko talaga siya like super bet, duper duper bet or gustong gusto. Kasi, to be honest, naging con talaga sa akin. Again it's a con for me yung heaviness nito at yung amoy nito. Because I don't really like mask that has a very strong scent and mask that has, ang tawag nito, that is heavy on the skin. So, yun na yun. Sorry to say that, Cathy, but for me, hindi ko talaga siya, okay naman siya sa akin, but not really my liking or my very, very bet. So, yun na yun. So, mga Donya, this product is good naman for me. So, yun na yun, and I hope that you have learned something for today's session, mga Donya, and see you on my next session, mga Donyo, in mga Donya. Bye-bye!